Happy Friday from the parts farm. We've got a couple of GT500s in the shop today, in the main shop. First here we have a 2011-2012 with a 5.4. We got 59,000 miles on this one. Stock number 2827. Runs. Comes with a Tremec TR6060 6-speed manual gearbox with the swap kit. Axles available. Looks like most of the cooling made it. I don't know if the heat exchanger did or not, but I think we've got the pump. This one has the super hard to find thermostat housing. Yeah, we got some Brembo black 4-piston 14-inch brakes. It had some Belgians. I think maybe a couple of these survived. Sorta. We've got an 11-12 trunk lid, good wing, good false gas cover. This car appears to be stock. What are y'all doing? Got a German Shepherd or two. But yeah, coming apart, got a steering wheel, got some trim, SVT door sill plates. We've got some, I can't read what that says, but some adjustable suspension. We'll have that out in a couple of days. Here's a little Coyote swap. I believe this one is already sold and needs to ship. Pair of Z06 seats. Set of factory Gen 5 Camaro wheels, I believe those are. This is our 1314 Trinity. Good set of track pack wheels. Speedometer cluster is already sold out of this one. Doing a little tinkering with this one. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. Got the JLT Monster Big. We'll have a set of 5.8 Kooks long tubes. This one's got a pulley, accessory idler, stock crank pulley, just came in, 5.8 liter. Came with 662, adding the pulley, the cold air, the Kooks, the throttle body. What, 750? Probably, conservatively. Recaro seats are sold out of this guy. We got a Boss 302 that just came in. Orange came in today. So yeah, big boys. 6-piston Brembo 15-inch rotor. Oh no, that looks fresh, don't it? Look at that. That might have happened here. That might have happened right here. Oh, no good. Anyway, that's a little Friday for you. That's a little Friday. Can't remember if these GT500 panels are sold or not, but we got some goodies. Just got pulled off the last few hours. Tail lights. These are sold. I think the steering wheel sold. SVD plates are sold. Floor mats are sold. Speaker, trunk speaker still available, I believe. But yeah. All right, guys. Got 2 navigation kits too. 2 factory nav kits. One here and one there. Harness, sun sensor, all the goodies. Help you swap it over in your S197. Do not think these seats are sold. Another set of, oh, broken. GT500. I don't know if we'll stitch these up or not. We'll have to see. All right, guys. Toodaloo.